Hey there, creative crafters! Today we're talking about one of the most versatile and exciting products in the Stampin' Up lineup, our wide range of pattern paper. Whether you're scrapbooking, creating home decor, or creating the perfect card, our pattern paper is your go-to for beautiful, effortless design. Did you know that every single piece of our patterned paper is created by our real in-house designers? That's right, our talented team paints, draws, and designs each and every sheet, bringing you unique and gorgeous patterns that you won't find anywhere else. It's like having a team of artists right in your own craft room. Let's take a look at some of our favorites from the brand new 25 to 26 annual catalog. First up, the Regal Distressed Patterns 12 by 12 Designer Series paper. It's full of stunning, intricate designs that are perfect for any project, featuring beautiful foil twigs and window pane designs. And check out the stunning Seasons of Elegance 12 by 12 Designer Series paper, a beautiful collection that brings elegance to every creation. This paper features gold foil designs in the colors of basic beige, cherry cobbler, mossy meadow, old olive, and pretty peacock. Definitely one of my favorites from this offering. But that's not all. If you're looking for pattern paper to bring vibrant colors to your next project, we've got something for you. The Florals in Bloom 12 by 12 Designer Series paper is perfect for just that, and for those vibrant nature-inspired designs. And for those of you who are seeking something more organic, soft, and calming, check out the popular Perennial Lavender 12 by 12 Designer Series paper, featuring some of our gorgeous colors like Berry Burst, Fresh Freesia, Gorgeous Grape, Highland Heather, and Lost Lagoon. Now, if you're in the mood for something more cozy and seasonal and also love birds, check out the Nests of Winter 12 by 12 Designer Series paper, which features a variety of birds, twigs, branches, and plants and trees. Great for all you nature lovers out there. And lastly, for those of you who love artistic watercolor designs, I think you're going to love Thoughtful Journey Designer Series paper, which is 6 by 6. This Designer Series paper features colors of Lost Lagoon, Misty Moonlight, Mossy Meadow, Petunia Pop, Pretty Peacock, and Wild Wheat. Pattern paper is a must-have in your crafting arsenal. It is a quick and easy way to add beautiful backgrounds, layers, and accents to your paper crafts. Whether you're creating a scrapbook layout, designing a piece of home decor, or just adding artistic elegance to a card, our pattern paper will take your projects to the next level. And the best part? We have a wide range of pattern paper to choose from, so no matter what crafting mood you're in, we've got the perfect fit for you. Want to see more? Head over to stampinup.com or click on the link in the description to check out these papers and more from our new catalog. And as always, be sure to reach out to your demonstrator to learn more about these beautiful papers and how to make the most of them in your projects. Happy crafting, everyone!